Are you sabotaging your HubSpot success without realizing it? HubSpot is a powerhouse. It's the ultimate tool for marketing, sales, and customer success. But here's the thing, just because you're using HubSpot doesn't mean you're using it right. Many users unknowingly commit what I call the 7 deadly sins of HubSpot. These mistakes don't just slow you down, they can cost you leads, sales, and even your sanity. Hey guys, it's Cassy from Neighborhood, where we help businesses find, sell, and keep their people. Today, we're diving into the 7 most common mistakes HubSpot users make, and more importantly, how to fix them. Stick around because if you're guilty of even one of these sins, it could be holding your business back. Let's get into it. Sin number 1. Letting your CRM turn into a junk drawer. Your CRM is cluttered with duplicate contacts, outdated data, and incomplete records. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack every time you need to pull a report or send a campaign. HubSpot's deduplication tool is your best friend here. So you can schedule regular cleanups and set mandatory fields for key data points when adding new contacts. A clean CRM isn't just nice to have, it's essential for accurate reporting and effective campaigns. Sin number 2, over-automating your processes. Automation is great until it's not. Over-automating can make your interactions feel robotic and impersonal. Imagine sending a "we miss you" email to someone who just bought from you yesterday. Yikes. Be intentional with your workflows. Use HubSpot's personalization tokens and smart content to make automation feel human. And always test your workflows before they go live to avoid awkward mistakes. Sin number 3, ignoring lead scoring. You're treating all leads the same, which means your sales team are wasting time chasing cold leads while hot prospects slip through the cracks. HubSpot's lead scoring tool is a game changer. Assign points based on actions like email opens, form submissions, and page visits. And this way, your sales team can focus on the leads that are most likely to convert. Sin number 4. Failing to use custom dashboards. If you're relying on generic reports that don't give you the insights you need, it's like driving a car without a dashboard. You're flying blind. Build custom dashboards tailored to your goals, whether it's tracking sales performance or marketing ROI, or even customer retention. HubSpot's reporting tools let you visualize the metrics that matter most. Sin number 5 is sending generic emails to everyone. You're blasting the same email to your entire list. Not only is this ineffective, but it's also a fast track to higher unsubscribe rates. HubSpot's list segmentation is your secret weapon. Group your contacts by behavior, demographics, or life cycle stage. This allows you to send hyper-targeted emails that actually resonate with your audience. Sin number 6, ignoring HubSpot's AI tools. You're stuck in manual mode, ignoring the AI tools that could save you hours of work. From content creation to predictive lead scoring, you're leaving efficiency on the table. Explore HubSpot's AI-powered tools like content suggestions and predictive analytics. These features can help you work smarter, not harder. Sin number 7, keeping sales and marketing in silos. Your sales and marketing teams are working in isolation, leading to miscommunication and missed opportunities. HubSpot's sales and marketing alignment tools are designed to bridge the gap. You can use shared dashboards, regular meetings, and a clear service level agreement, or SLA, to keep everyone on the same page. HubSpot is an incredible tool, but like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. By avoiding these sins, you'll not only get more out of HubSpot, you'll also set your business up for long-term success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip. And if you know someone who's guilty of these sins, share this video with them. That's it from me. Happy HubSpotting.